Picture this. You're standing on once fertile soil in Jharkhand. Decades ago, these lands were rich with crops and forest life. But now, just barren ground and deep, abandoned mining scars. This isn't a scene from a dystopian film. This is a harsh reality faced by many parts of India today. What's happening to our land? Why is it losing its life-giving power? In this video, we are digging deep, literally, into the concept of land degradation and how we can conserve and restore what we are rapidly losing. Let's break it down. Land degradation means the land is getting damaged, it's losing its ability to grow crops, support forests, or sustain human life. Why does it happen? Well, a lot of the blame goes to us, cutting down forests, letting animals overgraze, mining the earth for minerals, overusing irrigation, and dumping industrial waste on soil. In short, when we misuse land, nature stops cooperating. And that leads to a crisis, both environmental and human. Let's take a quick tour across India to see how land degradation varies from place to place. In Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh, land is scarred by deforestation due to mining. Gujarat and Rajasthan struggle with overgrazing. In Punjab and Haryana, too much irrigation is the problem, leading to salty, alkaline soils. And in industrial zones, factories pollute soil with chemicals and dust. Different problems, but one common result: unhealthy land that can't support life. Now let's apply this to a real-life situation. A farmer in western Uttar Pradesh notices white crusts forming on his field. His crops are failing. What's going on? Step 1. Observation. Those white patches are a clear sign of soil salinity. Step 2. Diagnosis. Over-irrigation without drainage is raising salt levels in the topsoil. Step 3. Solution. First, improve the drainage system. Then apply gypsum, a natural salt neutralizer. Switch to drip irrigation to minimize water wastage. With these steps, the farmer brings his land back to life. Problem solved sustainably. Let's crunch some numbers to understand the scale of the problem. India's total land area is about 3.28 million square kilometers. And guess what? Around 29% of it is degraded. That's 0.29 multiplied by 3.28, which equals 0.951 million square kilometers. Yes, almost 1 million square kilometers of land is damaged. That's more than the size of Egypt. This isn't just a statistic, it's a warning bell. Now the big question: how do we fix it? Here are the smart, science-backed strategies. Afforestation: plant more trees. Controlled grazing: let the land rest and recover. Sand dune stabilization: grow bushes to hold sandy soil in deserts. Contour plowing: plow along slopes to slow down water flow. Terrace farming: step-style farming in hilly areas to prevent soil loss. Strip cropping: grow grass in strips between crops to block wind. Effluent treatment: clean factory waste before letting it touch the land. Each of these is like first aid for our earth. Our land is precious. It grows our food, holds our homes, and shapes our future. If we keep abusing it, we risk everything. But with awareness, planning, and a bit of effort, we can heal the land. Just like Gandhiji said, there is enough for everyone's need, but not for anyone's greed. So, what can you do? Start small, plant a tree, use water wisely, and spread the word. Because saving the land isn't just a choice, it's a responsibility. In the next video, we'll explore one of the most vital natural resources we depend on every day: soil, its types, formation, and how it supports life across India.